एवरीवन, नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड इन टुडेज़ वीडियो जैसे कि आप टाइटल में देख रहे हैं, आई एम जस्ट गोना टॉक अबाउट माय टॉप 10 सीरम्स विच आई एम यूजिंग। तो अभी फ़िलहाल करंटली व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग, आई हैव दोज सीरम्स। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो इसमें मेरे पास यहाँ पे आई हैव होल लॉट ऑफ बंच ऑफ सीरम्स एंड ये फॉरेन ब्रांड्स भी हैं, कुछ इंडियन ब्रांड्स भी हैं, बट नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स आई एम मोर इंक्लाइंड टू इंडियन ब्रांड्स. So once I'm over with these, I think I'm just gonna invest more on Indian skincare brands. So but still I really wanna share what I'm using and मुझे कौन सा सीरम कैसा लगता है. सो here's the video about these serums. Alright, so सबसे पहले I am using this L'Oreal Paris Youth Code Skin Activating Ferment Free Essence. So this is the serum. This is basically for youth. It's a nice good serum, but इसके जो things I really don't like. I have it अभी, that's why I'm using it, but I'm not gonna purchase it in future because first of all it's not at all cruelty free. L'Oreal is not a cruelty free brand and I don't think so it is made in India. It is made in China, which I am not gonna purchase from now onwards. जो पहले की चीज़ें हैं मेरे पास, that's good. I'm gonna use them, finish them up, but mainly my things will be more concentrated towards the Indian. So this is a nice serum. अगर आपको कोई problem नहीं है made in China products लेने में, you can go for it. It retails for about 800 I think or 1250. I don't know. I actually don't know the price range of the serums जो मेरे पास अभी हैं, but I will definitely be sharing on the screen somewhere. So definitely you can try this one. It's a good serum and actually you can actually see a little difference in your skin while you use this. I'm left with some of it, so I'm just gonna finish it and that's it. So second जो सीरम की मैं बात कर रही हूँ करूँगी वो है ये दो brands and I have two serums from this brand. This is it's by It's Skin brand. This is a Korean brand. They have tons of serum और ये बहुत pocket friendly serums भी हैं. I think under 1000 rupees आपको अच्छे serums मिल जाते हैं. They have vitamin C which I haven't used it. vitamin C वाला नहीं यूज़ किया. E है और अलग अलग तरह के हैं. सो आर्बिटिन है. सो यहाँ पे मैंने आर्बिटिन एंड विटामिन E यूज़ किया है. एंड विटामिन E मैं नॉर्मली यूज़ करती थी रात के टाइम एंड आर्बिटिन में यूज़ करती थी दिन के टाइम. इन सीरम्स के ऊपर कुछ लिखा नहीं हुआ, लाइक नथिंग स्पेसिफिक इन इंग्लिश, एवरीथिंग इज़ रिटन इन कोरियन. सो यू हैव टू गो एंड रीड ऑन नाइका अबाउट देयर डिस्क्रिप्शन. वन ऑफ देम वॉज फॉर ब्लेमिशेस और दूसरा था स्किन टेक्सचर के ऊपर में. आई थिंक विटामिन E वॉज फॉर ब्लेमिशेस एंड दिस वन फॉर आर्बिटिन वॉज फॉर स्किन टेक्सचर. बोथ आर गुड. आप देख सकते हैं विटामिन E वाला मैंने काफ़ी ख़त्म कर दिया है. अच्छा है एंड आई लव यूजिंग इट एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर द डे टाइम. इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा बचा है which I will be definitely using it up. So those are the 3 serums. I'm left with 7 more. So yeah. So I really like the Plunge O3 watermelon serum. It's really good और ये भी मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ कर लिया. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. The only thing is the size. The size is really small, but if you're traveling, this is very good. This used to be my traveling serum. जब भी मैं ट्रैवल करती थी, I used to carry this because मेरा चंडीगढ़ बैक एंड फोर्थ बहुत होता था. अब तो खैर बहुत टाइम हो गया चंडीगढ़ गए हुए because of the quarantine and the lockdown. But this is also really good. It just gives you really nice glow from within. And okay, I have a price as well. This is also very affordable serum. This retails for 740, but the size is small, so you have to see whether you want to spend 740 for this much size or not. But this is a really good serum. It just makes your skin hydrated and really glowing, I would say. Alright, so the next serum I want to show you, this is basically Indian brand and this is by the brand called Bella Vita and these are drops of glow. This is an amazing serum for winters. Yes, जो इसका नाम है ये एक्चुअली उसको represent करता है, drops of glow. You can actually see the glow when you apply it. I'll just show you on the back of my hand. तो lightweight है, but as I think it's a little bit oily in the texture, सो ये सर्दियों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. एंड यू कैन सी माई हैंड स्टार्टेड ग्लोइंग लाइक एनीथिंग. रियली नाइस एंड smells amazing, smells like rose. Yes, so really good serum, I would say. Very good for dry skin people, and it has like tons of oil, so oil based है. So dry skin वालों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. So different तरह के oils हैं इसमें, from red sandalwood oil to vitamin E oil, mulethi oil extract and walnut oil, olive oil, lots of oil. Best use at night before sleeping and you are good to go. I use this serum in winters and I just love it, how it makes my skin feel. And let me show you, let me tell you the price I can see anywhere. This one retails for 999, again a serum under 1000 rupees. So yeah, that's that. And now I'm just gonna talk about serums which are little expensive. So सबसे पहले मैं अपना जो मैं आजकल विटामिन सी सीरम यूज़ कर रही हूँ, which this is Skin Deva. This is what I'm using these days and it's really good. I keep in fridge and because I think इसमें विटामिन सी प्लस ई एंड इसमें फेरुलिक एसिड भी है. तो ये भी मैंने like ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ किया बट काफ़ी यूज़ कर लिया है because you hardly need 2-3 drops of it. This is cruelty free, it's vegetarian, it's non-GMO, and this is 30 ml of product, and this one is made in US. So Skin Deva अगर आप पढ़ते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है इंडियन ब्रांड है, but it is Skin Deva I guess. So it's US brand. So I'm just gonna finish it up and then I'm gonna switch to any Indian vitamin C serum, but पहले मैं ये ख़त्म करूँगी. And this is expensive. I think it's around 2000 और 2500 की रेंज में आता है, तो थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव ज़रूर है. बट या दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग एज माय विटामिन सी सीरम. ऑलराइट, सो द नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट इज़ दिस इज़ आई थिंक मेरी अभी तक सीरम्स में देखा जाए तो सबसे ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट इसी में है. दिस इज़ बाय एस्टे लॉडर and again it's not an Indian brand, it is made in UK. And this is their Estee Lauder Idealist Pore Minimizing Skin Finisher, and it is really good. The moment you apply, it feels like that it has that really nice smooth finish. जैसे ही आप अप्लाई करते हैं, you can actually feel कि आपकी skin smooth हुई है the minute you apply, and you actually see a difference in your pores after a good amount of usage. But again, it is a very expensive brand. Estee Lauder is expensive, so I don't know आप में से कितने afford कर पाएंगे. I'm still left with a lot of product. I don't know whether you can see or not, but I'm gonna finish it. I really don't know whether I will buy it again or not because it's very expensive. It's heavy on pocket, but definitely I'm gonna see cheaper option and obviously Indian option. अगर मुझे कुछ मिलता है इसके साथ का, I'll definitely go for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish this up. The next is this serum. This is Saint Botanica's hyaluronic serum. I love hyaluronic acid stuff on my face these days because just I am aging, my skin is going towards dry. My skin used to be oily and then there was a combination period, और अब I think ये dryness की तरफ जा रही है. So I really need good hydration for my skin, and hyaluronic acid से better कुछ नहीं है. So this is Saint Botanica's hyaluronic acid serum. It's really good, very nice light texture. I'll show you the texture. See, this is how it looks like. Very much blendable, and it just makes your skin feel so hydrated and moisturized. Really nice, smells really good. It is made in India, but obviously I don't think so it is an Indian brand. I really don't know Saint Botanica Indian brand है या फिर it's some other brand, but it is made in India, so definitely you are supporting the economy अगर आप खरीद रहे हैं सेंट बोटानिका. मेरे पास एक और सीरम था सेंट बोटानिका का, दैट वाज समथिंग यूथ करके. इट वाज एन ऑयल बेस्ड सीरम. आई यूज्ड टू लव दैट फॉर माय विंटर्स. currently I don't have it because my mother-in-law loved it so much. I just gave it to her कि okay, use it. If you really loved it, use it. So मैंने उनको दे दिया, and I'll put the picture of that somewhere here. So if you want to try that, you can try that. It is for like really dry skin and mature skin basically. So that's really nice as well. Currently, my current favorite, which I'm using like serum, this is by the brand called Dot & Key. I recently ordered it, and this is an homegrown brand, Indian brand hai, and I am looking forward to try more stuff from them because this brand, you know, seems promising to me. And this is their Hydro Peel Glow Potion. I'll just show you. This is how the bottle looks like. I love their packaging. So this is how the bottle looks like. It is first of all, they say it's chemical free. I don't know whether it's chemical free or not. And this is their AHA, and it has 10% of AHA and 2% of BHA. It is basically an exfoliating serum. आप लगाएंगे and you will wash it off after 10 minutes, and then you can do your normal skincare routine. But ये ऐसे इस पे लिखा है कैसे यूज़ करना है. But first day I was so busy with कभी मुझे लगा नॉर्मल सीरम है, मैं लगा के सो गई थी. सो आई डिड इट वेरी रॉन्ग, और जब मैंने बाद में पढ़ा आई फेल्ट सो गिल्टी कि मैं ये लगा के सो गई. एनीवेज, बट यू हैव टू वॉश इट एंड देन डू योर नॉर्मल स्किन केयर because this is an exfoliating serum. It will do its work in 10 minutes, and AHA and BHA are really good for acne prone skin and blackheads वगैरह अगर आपके आते हैं. So it is a good combination of AHA and BHA, and it is an Indian brand. So I'm really looking forward for this brand. You can actually feel the texture gone after the one application. Like 10 minutes के बाद अगर आप face धोते हैं, you will actually see. I will be ordering lots of more serums because they have hyaluronic acid, they have vitamin C. I think I'm just gonna try this brand more. So I am having high hopes with this brand. So yeah, this is the serum. And one more serum I really want to talk about is, which I'm using currently, is this is by Pixi. Again, it's not an Indian brand. It is, I guess, US brand, I guess. Yes, and this is their Glow Tonic. So this came to me in a PR package, so I'm using it and it's quite good. I also have their vitamin C serum as well, but अभी तक वो मैंने open नहीं किया है. I will definitely use it once I am done with this vitamin C वाला serum. So अभी vitamin C serum की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं फील है कि मैं नया लूँ कुछ, because I have this and then I have the Pixi one. Again, a little expensive, but if you want to invest in a good serum, you can go with this, or but I will definitely recommend you go for something from Dot & Key. And it's not sponsored, guys, but I really loved this product. So मुझे लग रहा है, I'm assuming that their other products like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid are also good. तो मेरी अभी तक मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया, बट जब भी मैं यूज़ करूँगी I'll let you know what I think about them. Last but not the least, it's not a serum, and it's again by L'Oreal, and again it's made in China, but it's really good. It's not a serum. This is their, but I use it as a serum. Yeah, right. It's their Revita Lift Micro Essence. Basically, it's like a water. It has that watery texture. I have whole video about it कि ये कैसा है कैसा नहीं है, but I really love it. I still haven't used much, but जब भी मैं use करती हूँ, it feels good. I use this when I really don't have time to do any of my skincare. I just throw this on my face and I'm good to go, because it's so light and it just hydrates my skin. So yeah, that's what I'm using. So those were the 10 serums I'm using आजकल. Like, you know, I am in the process, कभी कोई use कर ले, कभी कोई use कर ले, but right now currently I'm using this a lot. And this one you just have to use like a twice in a week, that's it. So you know, I put a lot of makeup, I do a lot of makeup tutorials, so whenever I wash my face I have to do a little bit of skincare. तो उस टाइम मैं ये serums यूज़ करती हूँ. आप भी सोचते होंगे कि इतने serums कोई कैसे कोई यूज़ कर सकता है at one time. So जैसे कि मैंने अभी ये मेकअप किया हुआ है, I'll remove it, I'll use one of these serums, and रात को मेरा एक particular night time routine है, वो मैं change नहीं करती. But whenever I remove my makeup after tutorials, I use these serums. So that's how I am able to use these serums. एक morning का routine अलग रहेगा, night का routine अलग रहेगा, but in between जो मैं अपना face wash करके serum use करती हूँ, उनमें मैं ये switch करती रहती हूँ. Yeah, that's how I use lots of serums. So that's it. I hope ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी हेल्पफुल रही होगी आपको, और आपको थोड़ा आइडिया हो गया होगा कि आपको अगर आप सीरम्स में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो थोड़ी सी ये हेल्पफुल रही होगी. I will definitely recommend you vitamin E and vitamin C serums if you have any blemishes or pigmentation. Definitely you can go any of them any vitamin C can work, any vitamin E can work. This is vitamin C and E plus, दोनों है इसमें. And definitely if you have texture, I would definitely go, I will definitely recommend you the Dot & Key Hydro Peel Glow Potion. This is like a peel, you know, so that's why it will exfoliate your skin. I am also planning to buy their toner as well from the same range. But देखते हैं पहले. I really need to finish some of my stuff from here and then I'll see कि कब खरीदूँ मैं. Anyways, that's it for the video. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you're new to my channel, watching me for the very first time, then I'm Kavya. I'm a beauty vlogger. I put lots of makeup related, beauty related videos, and also sometimes my baby related videos. And yeah, that's it. And please do subscribe, help me grow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.